cool is that? That's my first, well, maybe my second. Maybe my second dragon's fruit flower. Looks like this one fell off of here. Not sure. I guess I'm not going to get a fruit. But, yeah, this is Pitatahya dragon's fruit. And it is native to Central America. It is a type of climbing cactus, as you can tell. And let's see. Here's my first, well, I guess my second flower. The first flower that I've seen on the tree. Hopefully I'm going to get some fruit. And the fruit is really delicious. It's red. Look it up. I don't have one to show you an example of. But we sell this plant down here, so you always come down and get one. But look how fun and interesting this is. We have this fence over here. It has to climb. These plants are basically designed to live in the tropical forests of Mexico. Central America is where they're native to. And they climb up high into the trees. Once they get high into the trees, they reach for the light. Once they get to the light, they get happy and they flower. Once they get happy and they flower, they make fruit. Once they make fruit, something comes along and eats it. And after something comes along and eats it, you know the rest. It disseminates it wherever the thing that ate it goes and visits, has its call of duty to nature. And it basically does its job and spreads more seed around and more grow. So this plant is actually considered an invasive species in some locations, probably places like Hawaii, Australia, where conditions are right. It's very drought tolerant. We hardly water this at all over here. You can see it's bone dry. It's November. And well, it's a really interesting, beautiful plant. You need something to support it on. A lot of times people make big trellises and they grow the pitaya out over the trellis or over fences like this. And so I'm really happy to get the flower here. I haven't really had much intimate experience with this plant. But when I came out here and I pulled up today to the front of our nursery here, I looked over and I'm like, whoa, 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 look at that thing. I'm like, yeah, that thing's awesome. So I had to come over here, take a good look at it. Hopefully I'll get my fruit. The fruit's going to be like down here, I guess. So not sure exactly how it all works out. But anyway, this is all a whole new experiment for me. But we do have plants of these things. What's funny, and we have them back in the nursery. I can see how they become invasive because the ones we have back in the nursery, you kind of turn your back on them. You come back a little later, and they're like climbing up into the palm trees. And I'm like, I didn't bargain for that. We got to go up there and trim them out, and then we make new babies. And anyway, so come on down to the nursery, Richmond, California's largest tropical rainforest, and emphasizing lots of palms. And you can get palm trees, you get avocado trees, you get citrus, and you can even get your pitaya on. And that's how I'll leave you.